Hey, welcome to CodeDroid Labs, your trusted Zoho partner. Today's explainer turns raw data into actionable insights.
So, here's a huge question. Are your numbers actually understood right where they live?
See, Tally Prime nails your structured transactions, but reporting, it usually devolves into messy, manual spreadsheets.
That kicks off a brutal weekly cycle of exporting, pasting, building charts, and sharing endless files.
The absolute worst part? Spreadsheets are instantly out of date, leaving everyone totally confused about the real numbers.
But honestly, connect Zoho Analytics to Tally Prime, and this whole structural nightmare just vanishes completely.
Your ledger data and closing stock sync on your schedule. That tedious export step is literally gone.
Instead, you instantly get automated, live KPIs like cash flow and profitability, always perfectly current.
Plus, there's a crazy easy drag-and-drop builder. Now, anyone in finance creates stunning charts instantly.
What's really wild is Ask Zia, an AI assistant that builds reports from plain English questions. Just ask, what were my top expense categories last quarter? And literally watch the chart build itself. Then, Zia Insight steps in as your diagnostic AI, automatically spotting hidden patterns and weird anomalies.
It dives super deep, instantly flagging the exact root causes behind those tricky financial trends.
Already using Zoho? Awesome. Now your Tally data sits perfectly alongside your unified CRM pipeline. Getting started is a breeze. Just connect Tally Prime, select your modules, and set the sync.
You've got to try this out. Grab the 15-day free trial and build your first dashboard today.
So are you ready to stop exporting data and finally start understanding it? Let's make it happen.